Hi, my name is Ronan Naughton. I'm a product manager at Vanderbilt Industries, looking after intrusion and access control products. The key features in this release are the products are easy to mount, easy to pair and easy to configure. They all have a battery life of 5 years or greater and a communication distance of over 500 meters in open space. Vanderbilt is fully aware that time is money for the installer. This range of wireless products are easy to mount, easy to pair and easy to configure. Therefore, an entire building can be fitted with these wireless products in under a couple of hours. These new products are extremely innovative. They're beautifully designed and have extremely long battery life, supported by automatic power saving mode, which allows the detectors to last for up to 5 years. Indeed, the smoke detector has a battery life of over 10 years. This is just the start of wireless development for SPC. In subsequent phases, Vanderbilt will release new repeaters, bells, sirens, peer cams and keypads. This will further compound Vanderbilt's and SPC's position in the intrusion market for the domestic, commercial and industrial sectors. The SPC Wireless product range is ready for any challenge.